Good afternoon, industry viewers. We are at IMTEX 2023 at RENISHAW Metrology stall. We are pleasure to have Mr. Sangam with us, the head sales and marketing for RENISHAW Metrology. Sanjay ji, what has been displayed here at RENISHAW stall today?
First of all, welcome to you to our stand. It's been great to be back here in this show in 4 years' time. Uh, very exciting times. That's the first thing. Secondly, you asked me a question: what is there for the demonstrations and display here? If you walk around, we have managed to cover the entire spectrum of solutions that we deal with. To start with, from industrial metrology point of view, we have all the products that goes into our industrial metrology solutions on display. On the machine tool, on my right hand side, there's a Makino machine. You can see our world class scanning systems on that machine, which is very high speed probing system for workpiece component setting, component measurement, giving feedback, and it's a year of digital manufacturing. So the output of that suits for the expectations of customer. If you walk around further, on just in front of me, you will see Equators, which is a very flagship product of Renishaw. You can see there are multiple Equators being demonstrated, each meeting different application requirements. So the Equator goes into not just into automotive and the supply chain, aerospace, now the electronics contract manufacturing, EV applications. So you can see some of them there. And then on my left hand side, what you see is Renishaw's again another flagship product called Revo family of sensors, 5-axis sensors. So Brio has been there for a long time, but what we are trying to demonstrate today in this show is the ultrasonic probe, because there are now applications coming in where people expect to do excuse me, thickness measurement single sided without destructing the component. So that is now feasible with Renishaw ultrasonic probe. Then we are also showing EV stator measurement, where there are very critical features which are very thin, very difficult to measure with a tactile measurement. So we have deployed vision system there for the customers to be able to capture those views and do analysis and give an output. So that's one of our solution. Then apart from these major solutions, we also have on the display the new Fortis product. It actually goes into machine to building, where people need high accuracy. People need to build high accuracy machines. So you need scales, enclosed scales. So that is being offered to the machine tool builders now from Renishaw side. I think this is broadly what we are covering here.
Is there any new product launch which you have planned, and how these products will be useful for the industry users?
I think you asked me a good question. There are multiple launch we are doing in this IMTEX. I talked about Fortis, the new scale, enclosed scale. This has been launched worldwide. We are launching in India now, and this it has a huge benefits. I will not get into the technicalities of it, but already big machine tool builders have adopted this technology, and in India also we have few machine tool builders talking to us, and the initial testing has been very good. They're very promising results. So that is one. Then I talked about the ultrasonic probe, which is new into the multi-sensor technology that Renishaw deals with. So that is being launched also here. And then we also have a new family of radio probe, especially we call it as a salamander range of radio probes. So that is being launched, very compact system with increased battery life. So these are the key products that we are launching. And apart from that, there's another thing that we are launching is Spinco, which is a spindle encoder, again new to the market. So this broadly covers our new product launch, and all these products basically help every segment of marketplace, whether it is automotive, aerospace, defense, electronics manufacturing. I think this all these products will bring a lot of new additions, and it helps improve the productivity and meet the customer expectations now. Thank you.
Lastly, what are the emerging trends currently going in the industry, and how Renishaw is in line with those technology trends?
Yeah, if you look at, things have been changing thick and fast in the country. Um, for many years we were predominantly automotive market segments where we had people coming in from abroad, from US, Europe, setting up automotive lines here, whether it is Ford, General Motors, Suzuki, and all that. But I think, along with that, in last 3 4 years, especially post COVID, things have been changing very fast. New segments are making entry because of the government policies, the PLI schemes. Electronics contract manufacturing is coming in a big way in the country. EV is going to be picking up very soon. So there are a lot of government shops being introduced to the manufacturers. So I see, these new, I call them as a sunshine sectors. So they are going to be the huge future for the country. And apart from that, defense, because India is now opening up its different defense products to the world, whether it is weapons or something similar. So I think, very exciting times ahead. And you asked me how Renisha can support these new segments and new sunshine sectors. Tell you what, actually, we have been serving this industry worldwide, whether it in Asia Pacific or Europe or Americas, and we carry the experience of dealing and supporting such customers, such initiatives. And I'm sure, will make sure that, we pass on that experience to the sunshine sectors in the country, and we are up for it, and we will grab the opportunities.
Thank you so much, Sanjay Sangamji, for giving us a valuable inputs about the Renishaw's new product range and their applications. Thank you so much for your time.
Very much for talking to me today. Thank you. Have a good show.